Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Well, it's a great time for an update. There's a lot to talk about, and so I'm going to do what I can to get through it quickly, not talk too fast, but get you all the information here in a couple of minutes. We've added a project review stage. This is exciting because, as you know, and as many of you have requested, there's a lot that goes on when you're done installing a project till the time it's actually completed, be it accounting issues and wrap up, or punch list items, or documentation delivery, or training, or whatever it may be. So we've added this review stage. So now projects can be in that, which gets them out of your pipeline of build, and then but they're not also they're not technically completed. So enjoy that. That's for everybody. Another thing, blank page styles. So you are familiar with the blank page within the designer for your proposals, and you can put whatever on there that you want. But we've added the ability to have headers and footers. So maybe you want to have your logo, but it's still kind of a blank page, and you want to have a footer so you can have page numbers and so forth on the bottom of every page. So now when you add a blank page type, you'll get the template scroller so you can scroll through either truly blank or blank, but with these headers, and that's in the Copenhagen, San Francisco, Dallas, so forth. So enjoy that. Moving along, stock module. We've been making a lot of progress on stock. Those of you who don't know, September 15th, we're launching the stock module, which is a inventory warehousing tracking tool. So you can, in the purchase area of your projects, when you order items, you can order extra if you like, or you can pull from stock because you'll see those stock amounts there. And then as items come into the warehouse, you can scan them in along with serial numbers for those types of items. And then now, identify where they're going in the warehouse, and then the techs, as they take items, they can scan them onto their truck, they can scan them into the job, and so forth. So we're tracking these items for you, both true inventory that you keep stock of, but also just simply the short-term warehousing of items for projects. So it's really exciting. We launch it September 15th. You can see it at CEDIA. We'll be showing off stock there at CEDIA, which leads me to CEDIA is 3 weeks away. Very excited to be there in Indianapolis with you guys. We're going to have a big team out there this year as Jetbuilt continues to grow. And you will find us easily between ADI Global Distribution and Savant. So two big powerhouse booths that you'll see there, and we're right in between those guys. We're kind of catty-corner between them. And so look for us there. Say hi if you are going to be in Indianapolis in a few weeks. And it's going to be a fantastic show. Also, Quickbooks Online. That's only worked in US up until now. There's been a number of things we had to do to make it work internationally. Many of you in Canada, UK, and elsewhere have been saying, come on, let's get the QBO out here. So we've spent a lot of time. We've had to add some other things. Even for the US customers, there's a few things we've added in to that data push. You can check out, but most importantly, then it's pushed out to the rest of the world. So we've tested many countries, and so if it doesn't quite work in yours, please let us know, and we'll continue to complete those efforts. Jetbuilt User Summit. We had a fantastic time last year in Texas. We're really excited to do this annually. We're considering doing it the couple days before the Infocom Expo portion in Orlando, meaning that would be like on a Monday, Tuesday, and there are those classes going on, CTS training and so forth, and other classes. So maybe you're booked there, you don't want to do this, but perhaps you would. So please reply if you want to come, and we would be doing this perhaps like at the Rosen Center, at the hotel adjoining the convention center. For a couple days before Infocom. So it'd be a handy way to combine it into a single trip for those of you who are coming, and so let us know about that. I guess that's about it. That's everything on my list. Thanks again for using Jetbuilt, and we will see you at Indianapolis in a few weeks. Until then, Paul Dexter signing off.